short, my hair was long, caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We'd blister in the sun, we couldn't wait for night to come to hit that sand and play some rock and roll. While we were trying different things, and we were
Can you ever just see them in the water here?
Sometimes, if they're moving, you can see them. If they're just sitting really still. Oh, there's one right there. Look at that big fish. Look at that big fish right there. He's huge.
I don't see him.
He's freaking right there in that where it's. He's right there. He's out there by those rocks. He's moving over that way now.
Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah, he's freaking. Yeah, you saw another one?
There's two of them.
Yeah.
Right
Oh,
here.
yeah. There's another one right there. Looking upstream. See?
Yeah.
This is where I saw
Okay,
them.
are we doing dry flies or what are we doing?
Shit.
I'm catching those fish.
Yeah.
Look at them. Look at that. They're looking for bugs coming.
Oh
in.
yeah. I told you there were some big fish in here.
Wow.
This is the spot, but you know what? It's going to be a little bit of a challenge to get to them.
We're not going to be able to wade in there. It's too deep.
Well, we can wait a little bit, but yeah, we can't go out there. We can't go any farther than right down there.
Shit. Look at those.
I think I can get you want me to try a cast over there?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get a cast over there. The problem is they'll know we're here as soon as I touch that water, probably. They're smarter than all shit.
See two of them?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, you should have seen the other one. He was bigger. He was over here. He was swimming around.
Oh, I think there's three.
Yeah, oh, yeah, there's probably more than that. Funny you should ask if I could see the
Isn't
fish.
that funny? Yeah. See, it was meant to be.
What do I do here? There we go. I have a tiny little nymph on. I'm thinking of taking the split shot off. Okay. Here, just a minute.
Here's some pliers.
Hold on. I'm gonna take the split shot off, but I'm also going to
Here.
Hold on. Thanks. I'm gonna take the split shot off, but I'm also gonna raise this. Hold on a second.
Yeah,
They're a little bit deeper. Shit, man. I saw a fish rising up here.
Can you cast out there if you get caught up in this stuff? I can't do that.
Yeah, I can. I just got to be careful. Okay, now. Oh, they're still right there.
There's one on the other side of the rock.
Yeah, but there's two.
One in the front.
Yeah, there's one right there. Okay, got it. All right. Here we go. They can probably see us moving over here. So I'm going to have to be real. Oh, God. It's muck. Okay. No, that won't move yet. I'm trying not to send any kind of wave out there. These weeds are actually kind of helping me. You know what I could do? I could tie on a BWO emerger real quick like. If this yeah, if this doesn't work, let me tie on an emerger. Got him. I got him. I got him. Holy shit.
Keep them.
Darren, that's a nice fish. Oh, yeah.
Keep them.
Yeah.
I watched that whole thing. I watched that whole thing.
You watched him come up and get
I
it?
watched the whole thing. It was beautiful. It was beautiful.
Yeah, well, I got to tire him out because see all these weeds?
Yeah.
He gets in this, I'm screwed.
Yeah.
Oh, man, he is. Oh.
Where's he going?
He's trying to.
He's going back behind that big rock.
Yeah.
You're good. The dogger's coming.
I'm just going to keep tiring him out.
Yeah, because he's going to get these weeds and dig in.
Yeah, we don't want that. He'll dig the fly out. How was that?
It was fun. It was fun to watch. It was fun to watch from up there.
This is a nice fish.
There were two of them.
This is a nice fish.
There was two of them, and they were pointing this way, right? And when your thing went by, they turned.
Yeah.
And he kind of came up to the water a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you go, I got him. So he actually came up and got that.
Well, I saw the bobber. He took it. Oh,
Sweet.
He is huge. He's actually probably about a 20-inch fish at least.
Really?
I think. Yeah. I gotta really be careful with him because I do have 5X on there though. That's good, and that part's good. Whoa, huh? Oh, he just popped off. I broke him off. I accidentally went to mess with this and broke him off. He was a big fish, Darren.
Yeah, I know. It was nice, man.
He snapped my line off. Son of a bitch.
I saw it.
Dude, that was a big fish.
Not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long.
Well, you know what? Let's get another one.
Singing Sweet Home